came across IGUS because we were looking for a hardware supplier who could meet our very specific performance requirements. So our dynamic system needs a ball joint mechanism so it can move on 3 axes, because we see movement across 3 axes in the horse's back. The parts we get from IGUS are a ball joint mechanism that consists of a metal ball which then mates into a synthetic socket. And they work really well for us because they give us the rotation capacity we need on 3 axes. IGUS parts were able to accommodate the range of movement that we needed.
With BioTree, we were trying to develop a tree that moved with the horse, in contrast to conventional saddles where the panels are static down the side. We wanted to create a system that was dynamic, moved with the horse. Within the saddle industry itself, that wasn't really something that was being done, and there wasn't really a supply chain to kind of meet those sorts of demands. Yeah, I approached IGUS knowing that you create the high wear components in your proprietary material. Initially, we started off using some of your off-the-shelf components, and they worked really well in a prototyping scenario. From a product standpoint, we wanted to create more room to bring the saddle down lower to the horse, and so we set about designing some elements based on that off-the-shelf component.
BioTree is about to go to market, and where we see being able to add further benefit is from a technical performance perspective. So for example, for BioTree, one of the things we're doing just now is looking how we can optimize the system by using different types of technical foam. So that's something we're looking at closely at the moment, and we're always looking to make efficiencies in the height of our product. We want to be able to bring it down if we can. We'll continue to work with IGUS to come up with a system that gives us the rotation we need on the different axes, but also the security we need in terms of stability.